Hello everyone, I am Nagaveli Prasad working in TSWR Center of Excellence, Karimnagar. Today I am going to explain you the Zoology Practical, the model question paper with schema of evaluation. My dear students, apart from theory exams, practicals also very much important. To gain a knowledge in a complete manner, we should perform practicals also. Today I am going to explain you how this practical exams for the zoology can be conducted and what is the pattern of it and how much time it can be taken for performing entire practical exam. So first of all, this practical can be conducted for the 3 hours. This 3 hours duration will be, and for 30 marks. My dear student, these marks are also very much important for your future, right? So the exam will be conducted, the practical exam will be conducted for 30 marks. The question paper consisting of 4 bits. Here you should have the knowledge how the practical exam can be conducted. Very first bit, observe the dissected and displayed system. My dear students, we have learned many systems of earthworm, cockroach and human beings, right? Like cockroach digestive system, like earthworm digestive system, cockroach mouth parts, like many systems we have learned, right? So here they will be given unlabeled model or chart or projection. My dear student, this is a model, unlabeled model. Okay now. So this is a female urinogenital system, unlabeled model. Or they can give like this a chart, unlabeled chart. Okay. So this is a chart of cockroach neural system. So my dear students, so this chart will be displayed here while examination, during examination time. This system will be displayed here. So unlabeled model or chart or projection. Your work is you have to identify what it is, identify the system, what it is, then draw the diagram. So the first bit is identifying the unlabeled model or chart or projection. So that will be given, that will be displayed over here when you are sitting for the examination. You have to identify. So let us discuss scheme of evaluation. For identification of that model, you will be awarded for 1 mark. For example, this is given for your examination. You have to identify female urinogenital system, human being, female urinogenital system. For that, you will be awarded 1 mark. Then you have to draw a neat diagram of it. So from the textbook, you have to practice before going to the examination, right? Alright. So for the diagram, you will get a neat diagram. That should be very neat and very crystal and clear. For that, you will get 3 marks. And for labeling, you have to label the diagram. According to the Board of Intermediate, they have given minimum 4, but don't limit for 4 points, 4 label points. How many points you know, maximize it. And for labeling, you will get like 2 marks. So my dear student, for first bit, you will be awarded 6 marks if you identify right, if you draw the diagram neatly, and if you label more than 4 parts very clearly. So this is regarding first bit. Then go for the second bit. Identify the presence of sugar in the given samples. My dear student, this is an experiment you have to conduct, you have to perform during the examination. So that before going to the examination, you have to perform these demonstrations in your laboratory. So there are 5 demonstrating experiments are there. So your lecturer will be guided before going to the examination. You have to perform in front of examiner and you have to write the procedure. Like first, you have to write principle. What is the principle behind that identification of that particular sugar? That principle you have to write. For the writing of principle, you will be awarded 1 mark. Then the procedure, you are going to perform that activity in front of examiner, so that you have to write step-wise procedure. What you have taken, what are the steps you are involved in it. For that you will be awarded 3 marks, my dear student, procedure 3 marks. And finally you will write the result. So what result you got after conducting the experiment? What are the changes happens in the sample and what conclusion you are giving? So that conclusion for result you will get 1 mark. So per performation of the demonstration experiment you will be awarded 5. My dear students, we have 5 experiments are there in zoology. Before going to the examination, practice well. Many times you practice it and get the good result, then you will have you don't have any problem during the examination. So, and third bit, my dear students, this third bit comprising of identifying the spotters. There are 7 spotters will be given, named with A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So here the spotter like A spotter, let us discuss first. A spotter is invertebrate slide. So in examination time, so there is a microscope with a slide here, over here, invertebrate slide. For example, I will give you amoeba. So if amoeba slide is placed here, you do not know, just observe it. If you identify it as an amoeba, then write the name invertebrate slide A is amoeba. So for identification you will be awarded half mark. You will be awarded half mark for identification of that particular what is given in the spotter. And the second one is you have to draw a rough diagram, labeled diagram, amoeba diagram. For that you will be awarded half mark. Then you need to write a few points about amoeba. So minimum 4 points you have to mention so that you will be awarded 1 mark. So each spotter carries 2 marks. So first one A invertebrate slide, then B invertebrate specimen. So this is the specimen of heart. Actually this is a frog specimen. You will be that will be placed during examination. Use spongia to leech, that is a D bit, and invertebrate specimen Colopendra to Asterius. So that is a C bit. And D bit histological slide, as we have studied tissue slide, squamous epithelium and TS of bone, that will be placed, histological slide. And E is mammalian slide, so like TS of liver, TS of stomach, that slide will be placed over there, then you have to identify what it is. Then vertebrate specimen, for example this one vertebrate specimen which is a frog. You have to identify this frog and you have to draw the diagram of frog and you have to write few points about frog or amphibia. Then coming to the last G bit is the joints. We have studied various joints like gliding joint, like pivot joint, ball and socket joint. The joint will be placed over there. You have to identify what it is and you have to draw the diagram and you have to write few points about that. So this will be third bit. 7 questions. Each question carries 2, so that will be awarded for 40 marks. And up to here we will have the 25 marks, my dear students. And finally, record. A neatly maintained record with a neat diagrams and with a neat description, crystal and clear information can be placed over here. If your record is appearably or diagrammatically and express all the ways it is very good, you will be awarded 5 marks. So my dear students, this is the scheme of evaluation or model question paper. I think it is very easy if you build your confidence. So keep going to the laboratory and do experiments and observe all the spotters which are present in your zoology laboratory. Then gain the knowledge. Have a nice time. Thank you.